Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 1st August. And first of all, national news. Trains road traffic affected as farmers protested in Punjab, Haryana. PM Modi urged people to visit railway stations linked to freedom struggle. Justice Chandrachud urged courts to adopt modern means of communication. EKNATH Shinde announced 30 lakh reward for weightlifter SANKET SARGAR. The century-old iconic Pushpabanta Palace, built by an erstwhile Maharaja of Tripura, is being developed as a national-level museum and cultural centre. ARVIND KEJRIWAL addressed public rally in Gujarat on Sunday. National Investigation Agency on Sunday conducted search at 13 premises of suspects in 6 states in connection with activities pertaining to ISIS. New Delhi, India and Oman will carry out a nearly 2-week military exercise beginning Monday with a focus on counter-terror cooperation. Delhi's new police commissioner is Sanjay Arora, ex-chief of Border Police. And now some international news. US NATO main threats to national security, said new Russia naval doctrine. Adolf Hitler's gold reversible watch sold for $1.1 million at US auction house. Bin Laden family donated £1 million to Prince Charles charity. Earth completed rotation in less than 24 hours, smashes record again for shortest day. At least 5 injured in drone attack on Russian fleet governor. All festivities had been cancelled for security reasons. The epicenter, New York, declared public health emergency over monkeypox. Kathmandu, an earthquake of magnitude 6.0 shook Nepal on Sunday morning. Over 50 villages in Pakistan submerged in flash floods. New Zealand climbers built snow cave to survive terrifying avalanche. And now some sports news. Commonwealth Games 2022 weightlifter Jeremy Lal Rinanga won gold in men's 67 kg final. In Commonwealth Games, India beat Bangladesh to reach men's table tennis team semi-finals. In Commonwealth Games, cyclist Ronaldo Leshenzam lost in pre-quarter-finals of men's sprint event. In Commonwealth Games, Nikhat Zareen stormed into quarter-finals. Shiva Thapa crashed out. And now news related to business. Silly to compare Sri Lanka's economic crisis with India, former Niti Aayog vice chairman. Foreign investors return to Indian stocks after 9 months hiatus with rupees 5,000 crore net investment. 5G auction to continue for few more days, nearly rupees 1.5 lakh crore bid. Retail inflation for industrial workers eased slightly to 6.16% in June. And now let's have a look on weather. On 1st August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 30 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.